So does every settlement in workers' comp have to go to a judge in California? Short answer, yes. A judge has to review every settlement in California. The injured worker, without an attorney, may think, this will be so much faster. I can just talk to the adjuster. We can strike a deal. They give me $5 grand, 20 grand, whatever number it is. They cut me a check and I'll go away. I can be done tomorrow. It just doesn't work that way. The regulations, the 8 CCR 10882, says that every settlement, whether it's a compromise and release or stipulations with request for award, have to go to a judge, and the judge has to determine adequacy. Basically, it's a safeguard in the system. The adjuster can't settle a case with an injured worker without a judge looking at it. It protects the injured worker who doesn't have an attorney. So if an injured worker has an attorney, they're going to have someone that ideally is experienced, but they're looking out for the injured worker's best interest. The insurance adjuster is looking out for the best interest of the insurance company. If the settlement were to be paid without going to a judge, there's really no independent party to look over those settlements. So that's the way it works in California. Regulations say every settlement has to go to a judge. The judge has to determine adequacy. So everything should be spelled out in the settlement documents as to what the settlement is based on, what the permanent disability is based on. If it's medical reports, those should be attached. If there's a buyout of future medical, some estimate of what that is or how the parties came to that number, the judge has to be able to determine adequacy. Now, realistically, most of the time, a judge will find a settlement to be accurate or at least adequate, because it is going to be spelled out in the documents. The judge, and I've mentioned in other videos, judge is supposed to act on settlements within 15 days. It's not life and death if they don't, but they're supposed to do it within 15 days. If they don't, then eventually it'll go to the presiding judge and the PJ will look over that and maybe assign it to another judge. But most of the time, within 2 weeks, settlements get approved, denied, or set for adequacy. So that's it. Does a judge have to review a settlement? What if you want to settle just real fast? Can't do it. Has to go to a judge, has to get approved, then the insurance company will issue payment after that. If you have questions on this video, drop a comment down below. And if you found the video helpful, hit the like button.